In this video, we will create a search bar, a search box in MS Excel. So we will build something like this. Okay, for example, we have our data and we want to search. Okay, look at the color of our background color of our Excel table. Now let's search something. For example, I would like to just search for Jamal name. Press enter. So after entering, you will see just the Jamal record, which is in blue color. Okay, the background is just for the Jamal. For example, let's search for we can search based on first name and last name. For example, let's search based on Janet. So look at, we have just here Janet, second name. And also let's search, for example, Sadiq. That is, press enter. So we have just here Sadiq. And also if we, for example, let's search based on Khan. So look at, just here we have two records based on Khan. So that is how we can search and create this search box just in 1 minute. Okay, it is not a big long process, it is just a minute process. So let's start. So I have pasted my data here. Okay, I have, this is our table or our data. So maybe you have thousands and thousands records or hundreds records, but I have just placed these a few records to show you how to create the search box. Now let's create the search box. Okay, for example, here I would like to write search, and right side I will just merge these three cells. Let's merge them and just let's make it like to the center and also bold it like this and change the background like this, and here both of them just add the border. It should be at the center, bold, and great. So now let's create our search box. So to create our search box, for that let's simply just, yeah, so this is the background of our data of our color. So let's just change the background of this one also. Let's make it like this so it looks like better. So now let's create the search box. So to create the search box, just come here and select your data. Just by pressing Ctrl A, you can select all your data. After pressing the data, come here to the conditional formatting. Okay, in the home tab, come here conditional formatting, come here to the new rule. After pressing new rule, here find use a formula to determine which cells to format. Select this and here write your formula. So this is a simple formula. We will use search formula. Let's write equal to search. We will use search formula, open the parenthesis and select the search field. Okay, here we would like to search, we would like to write something to search. Select this cell, comma. After that, select, we want to search based on first name and last name. So select first of all the first name and absolute just the column. Okay, it means the dollar sign should be just before the column, not the row number, because the row is dynamic and the column is fixed with as absolute reference with that. Then write and sign, ampersand sign. Okay, after writing that, select last name cell also and make the column absolute reference. Close the parenthesis and let's format. So let's, for example, we would like to apply this background color. Press OK and press OK. So let's check it. Okay, this is our whole record, whole data. So now let's start something. So let's start, for example, I would like to write column. Press that. Look at just the first two records are being selected. Now let's search something as like Yusuf. Press enter. So just Yusuf record. John. Look at just John. Here we have John and here also we have John. G-A-N. Okay, that's how we can create this search box using MS Excel with the help of search function. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video and comment down. Thanks for watching.